How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 69 Camaro SS 350. Gorgeous car. We got this at a show we were at a week or so ago. It's done in a show quality Garnet Red, which is the factory color on the car. Black vinyl top with the white interior. Gorgeous car. The grille, it's the original front bumper, looks like it's new. Very, very nice. Got the chin spoiler. Car's real straight, slick down the sides. It's got a new set of Rev Classics on it, 17-inch. Gorgeous, gorgeous car, guys. Show quality paint on it. Very solid car. Got the rear spoiler. Rear bumper's been replaced. Got the bumper guards and everything. Tell you, it's just a very nice car. This is an X11 car. Got factory air conditioning. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes. See, it's all nicely detailed. Gorgeous car. It's got 12-bolt rear, 373 gear in it. Automatic. See the jams. Interior's all been replaced. Gorgeous. I tell you, the white interior just pops. Very, very nice. Headliner's real nice and tight. All the sail panels. Got the AM/FM cassette stereo in it. It's got your 6x9s in the back. Very nice car. It's hard to get real nice stuff anymore. They're far and few between. I actually bought 2 cars from this gentleman. So all the interior is really nice. It's all been replaced, carpet and everything. It's the original dash, it all real good shape, original steering wheel. Very, very nice car, guys. Car runs, drives out great. They did put the steel cowl hood on it instead of the SS hood. Thing runs perfect. With the black hockey stripe on it and the black top, just a good looking car. Real good looking car, guys. Paint's real slick, flat on the car, straight. Sounds good out the exhaust. Backup lights, everything in it work. Tell you, it's just a really nice car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. It happens to be a gorgeous day out. Great day to take one of these cars for a ride. little bit of traffic today. Have a great day, folks.